Ladies, ang mauna yung kinakasali.
Uy!
Uy! Ako lang pinagdwa. Tingnan po yung ano kasi.
Yes, correct.
Pabilisan pala yung ano na isa mo yung ano yung
Una ka.
unang nagdag.
Siyempre yung mga bagets, mabilis. So, hindi okay. Kailangan ng basbas ni ALB. ALB ang huli, hindi nakasali. Natakbo na sila. Pauna na kami.
Pabili ka? Oo. Dapat pala nagpabili ka. Pabili pala kayo? Yes. May mamaya na lang kami.
Ayan na, ready na ba, ladies? Alright, once again, let's call on our... Let's call the girls here on stage. The girls are palabas.
Video ko na lang lahat ng mga tapos na. Yun lang na lang.
Oo nga.
Coramel.
Girl, ladies, special surprise.
Kayo pala yung surprise.
Ayan, tingnan natin kung may mga change out.
Kaya nang spa.
Tingnan kaya yung second screen mo lang. Kayo mo lang i-video.
Bikil Sen.
So,
Ngayon lang kita ulit nakita.
Busy na ako eh.
Ha? May kasalanan ako sa akin. Ha? May kasalanan ako sa akin. Ha? Meron.
Ha?
Hindi may kasalanan mo sa akin. Pinag-antay mo ako doon sa Abite.
Wala lang.
Okay, uwi na kayo girls. Kami na lang. Smart na. Bye! Alam mo yung effort namin dito, di ba? Coronation na pala ito. Yes. Ganun na kabilis. Mas mabilis last year, mas mabilis ngayon. So after ng announcement ng official candidates, coronation na kidding aside, actually we prepared a lot in store. Yes.
Ano prepare? Kanta nga, Jumili kanta. Jumili kanta.
Do you have any questions for Miss Alexandra Rosales?
Jumili kanta.
Our pageant media friend.
Kanta Jubilee.
Ako yung tatanong sa kanila. Gagantihan ko kayo. Excuse me. Okay.
Ayan na, ayan na.
Gagantihan ko yung mga media. Oo. Ito maganda dito na may cherries. Binagel, may favorite ka na ba? Okay lang kahit di mo sabihin kung sino. Qualities na lang dito.
I believe as the Queen of Antipolo candidate for this year from Rizal Province, syempre I support the province of Rizal. Thank you.
Kaya, sobrang safe answer. Hindi ako papayag, magbigay ka ng pangalan. Mag-issue tayo today. Pero hindi. For you guys, sino candidate ba yung stand out?
CJ!
CJ! CJ!
Jubilee, Jubilee. So, si Alexandra. Ayan na.
Fresh! Pagka-shari niyo yung isa't isa. Ayun, manaminig nila yung mga kakiyak, yung nakasali. Ay, natin ang pakitin. Hindi po, tayo po ay magsasali.
Para nakapapata dito.
Sorry, ladies. Sorry, ladies. You're all but you have to move here. So, tayo pa ba? Bababalik ka mga pageant media rin. Huwag niyo yung pagkakas sa mga. Nagkilawan kayo gagantihan ko. Susunod ka sa AMB. Award na natin. Okay, sorry, Kristen. Hindi ba yung sabi ko? Yung lang ha, sinabi sa akin. Take your work na lang. Charot.
Yung dalawa pwede na sa comedy ko.
Nasa ano ka ay miski ka mao.
Before the announcement, may we call in the president of ALB Pageant Circle, Mr. Arnold Garcia.
Go, LB!
Hello! Are you excited?
Excited!
The official candidate for Miss Grand Philippines 2025.
Oh my God!
Before anything else, I would like to thank everyone, especially the pageant media. Spread the word, okay? Help us to promote Miss Grand Philippines.
Yes.
And of course, our panel of judges. And let's give a warm applause also to our candidates of Miss Grand Philippines. Before I will announce the official candidates who are part of the screening tonight, I would like to announce first the official candidates from different, from franchise partners. There are a total of 17 to 18 franchise partners from all over the Philippines and from other countries, but there are a total of 6 franchise partners who are present tonight. So I would like to announce the first 6 official candidates for Miss Grand Philippines. Let's start from Quezon City. Soler Randos Dayan Tabantulan. Where is from Quezon City?
Hindi, meron na silang alam ko dito.
Let's give them one from Quezon City. Miss Grand Quezon City. Of course, from Batangas. Deyame Sumulo. From Quezon City. Dalawa pala ang Quezon City, sorry. Soler Ralios and Dayan Tabaculan. And then from Batangas, we have Deyame Sumulo. Okay. From province of Pangasinan, let's give a warm applause to Angelica J. Flores. Hi, Angelica. Okay. From Quezon Province, Miss Dawn Salas. And from Laguna, Irish and Barto.
Ay, sige.
Let's add that means from Laguna. So we still have 11 or 12 more candidates who are considered as official candidates because they are the franchise partners of Miss Grand Philippines. Now I'm going to announce the other candidates who will be considered as official candidates. After the very hard decision making and deliberation, so all judges decided to accept all the candidates as the official candidate of Miss Grand Philippines 2025. Congratulations to all of you, and see you on July 16, 2025 at the Mall of Asia Arena for the coronation fight of Miss Grand Philippines. Let's give them the official round of applause, the official candidate of Miss Grand Philippines 2025. So, a total of more than 30 plus candidates. Actually, they're already trimmed down. There are a total of 60 plus candidates who joining for the screening, but we have a pre-screening happen, so bring down to 20 plus. So, congratulations, ladies, and I'll see you all on Coronation Day on July 6th.
Mamaya, nag-announce
We
pa.
call on Miss Christine, and of course, Miss Dia on stage. And after that, our judges. Wala si Bel, no? Where is
So,
Bel?
26 lang.
Miss nasa Hong Kong. Okay. Sana this batch also get all the crown. Imagine 2024, the 8 crowns the Philippines got all the crown. Okay, on June 20, to all our media friends, there will be a press presentation
June 20.
of all the official candidates.
Sa baba yung iba. Sa baba yung iba. Sa baba yung iba.
Pwede sila ba?
Ma'am, mas maganda sana doon sana sa likod. Hindi, okay na yan para malapit.
Dito guys si Belchay.
Ayan.
Urong ka. Urong ka. Yan, perfect. Urong.
Itong dalawa, Anita and
Girl, urong kayo. Para
Papa kayo.
Oo nga, urong ka dito.
siya nakaitinda ng Tagalog.
Di kita yung sa dulo.
Ayan.
Dapat magdagdag doon sa taas kasi
Anita, balik ka sa taas.
Magamit eh. Pinapit na si Anita.
Balik.
Kaya si Michelle. Buhating na si Michelle.
Beya mukha daw.
Compress ko. Yung dulo ko compress.
Side view kayo lahat.
side view.
Compress. Okay. Everyone here. Center. 1, 2. Nice.
Next push. 1.
Okay.
Kuya Daddy dyan.
Okay, can we ask the other judges to join us on stage?
Congratulations. Congratulations, everyone.
Sure natin ito mga.
Pawat ka naman pa.
Kaya mo na.
Lumaban ka ng patas, Paolo.
Correct.
Pag-atras.
Dali.
Kasi harang na harang naman sila.
Oh, first to ah. Dito, dito.
Para sa billion ko yan.
Hirap na mali. Here po. Ready?
3, 2, 1.
Energy!
Quiet po, quiet. Okay.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Reina Hispano-Americana, Filipinas.
Ayan na!
Ayaw mo na doon.
Gets na?
Ready? And 3, 2, 1, go!
Perfect. Isa pa? Okay. Isa pa daw yun.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Last po, Face of Beauty, Philippines. Yun na, Philippines. Okay, tapos kaway na after.
Ready? And 3, 2, 1, go!
Suplada naman. Charit.
Yung mga dito, atras lang ng isang step lang para maka-insert si Miss Francine at saka si Sir. Photo op lang po ito.
Atras konti daw.
Body sa mukbang lang.
Side, naka-side.
Side.
Side to sides.
Kaya mo yung guys. Kaya, limutan ka na lang. Pati or pati. Hindi kita si Francine. Tain siya. Kaya, dito po tingin eh, dito po. Ito po. Sir, ito po, dito po tingin. Taas, 1, 2. Okay po.
Adam favoritism. Adam favoritism ah.
Binubuko mo naman agad.
Binubukayo mo
Okay po.
naman.
Hindi pwedeng ganyan. Favoritism.
Kay ALB.
Ladies and gentlemen, the official candidate.
Congratulations! CJ! Wali ka. Candidates lang. Candidates lang.
For all their accommodations and incredible service. And we'd also like to thank our Academy friends who joined us today.
You're welcome, Doc.
Our gratitude goes out as well to our panelists. Good job, ladies. So
Okay.
again, thank you so much, CJ.
Ice here.
And of course, to ALB, Mr. George Sayun, Mr. Arturo Go, and Miss Gia Estrella, and Sir Jerry. So of course, Team Purple, the final screening, but this is just the first of so many exciting pre-pageant activities. Yes, and we hope to see you all again during our official guest presentation on June 20. On behalf of Miss Grand Philippines, we'd like to personally thank you again for this privilege. Once again, I am Jaya Costa. And I'm Alexandra Rosado.
sweet?
Enjoy it.
Ba't ganon?
Okay lang, okay lang. Ready, 3, 2, 1. Okay lang, kaway. Okay.
Attack me.
Biga attack.
Yun, malinis.
Congratulations.
Ay,
Attack na ba kami?